Wabarakatuh.
My name is Iggy Prayoga from Yoga. And then I wanna tell about my favorite food.
Yeah, your favorite food.
Very good. Okay. Buat favorite food. And then I like favorite food is health, of course health. But actually, I am it not health is minus.
Oh,
So I am eat something asal kejang apa tuh? Asal kejang.
asal kejang.
Tulainya. Kenyang.
Oh, kenyang, got full, getting full.
Getting full.
Oh, getting full.
Getting
Oh,
full.
kejang, kenyang. Yeah, I got it. Getting full, getting full, right? Yeah, so do I. Yeah, I got it. So do I. Okay, I got it. So am I.
Sometimes nothing about health, food health. So if if I like
Fried chicken? I got it.
nasi uduk.
Yeah, inshallah.
I lepas and then soup and then the rice. And if sometimes I am wake up in the early
Early.
night.
In the night or in the morning? In the night?
Tengah malam.
In midnight.
Midnight. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Midnight. Have cook ladle.
Oh, noodle. Yeah, Indomie, saudaraku.
Indomie.
Inshallah.
Indomie.
Yeah, I got it.
And while watching a laptop.
Oh.
Watching films. Movie.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.